Welcome to Tevi Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rotten fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
And we are back, guys. We are literally on a Thursday, and things haven't changed since Monday. Things haven't changed since Monday. Literally, the global crypto market cap is still above 2 trillion, 2.12. Not too crazy since Monday. We're about 57K for BTC. But before we talk all things crypto, it is hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself. Whether you're watching the recording or you're watching me live, do us a favor, hit that like. We're trying to grow here. We're trying to make it all back. Is that what you're trying to do? Well, if you are, you should definitely subscribe as well. All right, let's get right into it with the market. I do want to talk all things crypto. And the best way to do that is to talk about the market. So one of the things we're looking at is that global crypto market cap today, 2.12 trillion. As I said, not too crazy, not too crazy. Because like Monday we were around the same, and I was worried that, hey, are we gonna dip below 2 trillion? And it didn't truly happen. Ethereum gained some momentum. Bitcoin gained some momentum. We were at 52. Now we're at 57. 5K here and there. Still not too crazy. Is the bottom in? Potentially, bottom could be in. Almost everything that we thought was going to happen has happened. No basis points going up, nothing of that sort. Job market, everything seems okay. It's old data anyway that we're using to report, but hey, we seem to say everything's a-okay, so we continue with that. Quick shout out to Solana. When we were talking about it, we was closer to 150. It has retraced a little bit, but hey, it's making moves up. On the weekly, still up 7%, because keep in mind, on Monday, it was not like this, right? Hey, almost everything was down a lot, and anything that was up is down right now, and we're going to talk about that during what's trending and what's not. But for the most part, we are right near that neutral area. I know it says fear right now, potentially fear, but I'm feeling like, hey, we're gonna go over to the neutral side. There was a lot of articles that came out in the previous days regarding, hey, what's happening with the market? Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? And a lot of analysts were going towards the bearish trend. I'm still understanding, yeah, there could be a bearish trend, but I don't think that bearish trend is going to be as drastic as a 70% drop. I think, hey, if you hold out through the bearish trend, you diamond handed, potentially you come out still winning on the other side. So when it came to Bitcoin, still taking a look, 57,300, not too bad for an entry point, because we know 70K is within reach if certain numbers are hit. We did move those fib retracements. I want to drill down on those fib retracements now that we're seeing some interesting price action. Continuing on, we got to look at that market cap. And guys, the dominance hasn't changed when it comes to BTC or ETH. So everything is good. The money's where it's supposed to be. But yet again, I'm telling you, the Solana dominance is creeping up. 2.98. We've seen it at 3. We've seen it retrace right now. Hey, it had a great few days. So now we're seeing some of the tokens and coins that did great now retrace. So, Pepe had a great momentum. Now it's retracing. WIF did something similar. Chainlink continues to retrace, but you get the point. It's like, hey, the ones that are pushing now, potentially tomorrow they're going to go down, and the ones that are down right now hopefully go up. That's what happens in a neutral market. And I know it's not completely bearish. I'm feeling neutral. Almost everything else is exactly the same. No changes. XRP has a green day, and I will talk about that because XRP number 7, but number 9 in biggest gainers. But hey, where any day that XRP is trending is a good day. So we'll see if 45 sticks, 50 sticks, and hopefully we get to 60. Then we're really talking. But there are some predictions of an altcoin season. I have an article from a JP Morgan analyst that I drilled down into, and it seems plausible. But all the articles seem plausible. If they spin and make it the graph in a certain way, it's all going to look like, yeah, this looks like I can get in and I can make money. So yeah, nothing too crazy. When it comes to trending, we see Bitcoin, we see Pepe, we see Solana. We've seen them trending before, and yet again, not coin. I know not many people have heard of it, but it is trending. When it does seem to get some excess. So we're about how 1 cent 5 here, and we'll see if we can get to 3 cents when all the thing is rolled out. Almost everything that was up on Monday is now, consolidating. So Bunk's consolidating, Jasmy, Ordi, Say, Whiff, literally even Notcoin, even Brett. So not too surprised here. It's pretty much what the market sentiment is. So it makes sense to me that this is what's expected, So bunch of new guys entering the space. Mantra didn't even know that there was a top 100 token called Mantra that was making moves like this, but it is number one today at 10% up on the day. So we'll see if tomorrow it goes down. I won't be here, so you make your own decision. Hey, should I get into Mantra now or not? Is this going to keep going or not? It's a neutral market, so don't be making any non-educated guesses. We do have that Telegram chat to help you out if you need to. So yeah, almost everything market-wise, nothing too crazy, guys. Few shout-outs here and there. Filecoin, XRP, as I've said, and then we got a new contender here, Mantra. Brand new day. These are all new metrics, so we'll see if this sustains throughout the weekend. But for the most part, I feel like, hey, people are anticipating that BTC will make a run, or an altcoin season is potentially starting, and we'll drill down into that as well. Let me see here. Got a comment. Triple G's, what's going on? NW, nice to see you. How's it going? What are you up to? Hey, buds. Triple G, what's going on, Ben? We are just looking at the market. Things are, not happy for everybody, but that's kind of what happens in a neutral slash um extreme fear market. But it's not quite extreme fear. We're about just fear. Almost everything else is expected. I haven't seen anything crazy. No crazy outliers. No crazy hacks. I think if anything, they stopped probe, right? The Paxos probe and SEC finally stopped. What's going on? Clean Smoke, Brian. Nice to see you. How are things? What are you up to? What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. So pretty much that's all I had for the market. Let me move on over to the news, because I do have a few articles that I want to drill down into. So the SEC said it does not plan to enforce against Paxos. It finally said it. And this was part of the BUSD stablecoin, blah, blah, blah. I mean, at this point, they got CZ. They got him where they need to. He's been paying the things. Once he's out, he's still going to be the richest guy in the world, I feel. Don't you think? Don't you think? Oh, boy. But regardless, SEC stopped that. So now we'll see what other fake cases Gary Gensler is going to try and drum up in order to get more money that he said the SEC has reclaimed, which, he's got to come up with some fake stuff. The other fun thing, Donald Trump to speak at Bitcoin 2024. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. And, there's a big elephant in the room, and we all got to talk about it. And I'm just going to segue into this because, hey, it's needed. Is Biden going to drop out of the presidential race? And, the thing on Polymarket, which has been very accurate when it comes to these types of things, keeps increasing. And now it's at 65% that people are feeling that Biden could be pressured into dropping out because he can't get the party together. So, it's very, very scary. But at the same time, 38% chance of becoming the nominee now. So we'll see potentially what the party is going to do, what's going to happen. But as of right now, the odds are not within his favor. So he's got to figure out, does he agree with the data that's being presented, or is this fake news and everything is still in his court? That's his own decision to make. But when it comes to, hey, what's Donald doing? He's still going ham into the crypto. So I'm feeling everything crypto potentially in the next 4 years could have um, even less regulation or not many things happening for it if they're being so happy with hold your own keys, hold your own thing. I doubt there's going to be new regulation if they're going to be pro crypto. Maybe just a few stable coin adoptions, a bridge updates here and there. But for the most part, the way that the Trump team has said it, it's free. Everyone can do anything. Tia was getting happy. CZ release could be the pivot back up. He tweets for lol. Tia was trying to pop back up. I should be buying. Wait, Tia fell off the thing, didn't it? Yeah, Tia fell off. It's at 6.26. Let me see why you guys are saying that. So okay, so it bottomed out here at 630, and I see it's at 639. So you're saying potentially this is the breakout. Let's take a look at Tia during Goon time. That's interesting. I'll help you out there, but it does look like there's some volatility that you could use to your advantage depending on what that price action looks like. And this is a blue chip, so we do expect certain things when it comes to blue chips. Interesting. Very, very interesting. So yeah, the other fun thing, guys, we have to keep in mind, German government now only holds 5,000 BTC. It sounds like they're not adopting BTC at this point. Like if I was them, I would have held on to it. Other countries are making it their currency, their native currency, and you start to wonder what the heck are the Germans? They probably got looped into the CBDCs. They're like, we can't use Bitcoin. We got our own. We got CBDC. I'm like, okay, buddy. Good luck with that. So yeah, all that 50,000 BTCs, now it's less than 5,000. We'll see what ends up happening. 4,925 is the actual amount, and it's valued at 283 million. Not probably going to do too much if they buy and sell. So now we still look at Mount Gox and what could happen there. DNS hijacking and stuff that I did not know was being exploited, but Seller Network is saying that, hey, there's bridge and their front end sites had to be down and put down for a little bit because they have DNS hijack attack that could affect them. So no loss of funds have been affected. So everyone's funds are still okay. It was just part of their thing, they said. I had literally buy order at 420 for Tia and it filled. Wait, what? At $4.20 for Tia? Oh, okay, because it's rebounded since the previous time. Wait, how the heck did Tia fill, bro? What? At 420. Yeah, it did, didn't it? Oh yeah, I see it right here. It filled. Yo, that is wild. You literally caught a bottom of a bottom, sir. You literally caught it right before takeoff. So there you go. Yeah, we got to drill down into Tia and see. That is crazy. NW is the man with the biggest bag right here. I'm just messing, NW. Don't you worry, pal. Almost everything else, they're just trying to figure out, hey, PPI figures this and that, but I don't think it's going to make a change. Almost everyone anticipates what they're anticipating, so it's going to continue, and we'll see what happens. Continuing on, is Solana getting ready for a rally? $2,800. Dude, this guy predicts $2,800. They talk about the all-time high in March. They talk about the decline and the low of at 121. And literally the way this guy's charting, and I feel like, yo, I can just go to BTC, draw lines like this, and like, yeah, 2,000% up, and people just blindly believe. NW, do you stake your Tia or just hold in a wallet? I feel like he's a staker. He's always staking. I need to earn more than I have. So yeah, they talk about, hey, why is this going to break out? They talk about the resistance at 145 and the resistance at 150, 160, 170. They literally hit all the resistance levels, guys. They don't miss a single one. And I went through the entire article and I'm like, wait, I don't understand. All they're talking about is resistance levels. Where's the 2000 800 price action coming from? It's from this little chart thing that he's drawn out, and you can't zoom too much into it, but like the pieces that you see, you're like just drawing a line saying, yeah, this is 2021, this was 2017, we went down the same, it's the same price action. So now 4,887 in November, because this is what happened with Ethereum. And then you're like, wait, how does that even correlate to Solana? They're like, hey, because Solana's following Ethereum's track, Solana's going to get to the same price action. So that's how they're correlating that 1,800% rally, because they're like, this happened with Ethereum, this happened before. Now Solana's going to do the same thing and it's going to follow suit. So it sounds very interesting. We know the Solana ETFs are there as well. If I was going to move my money around, am I buying a cheaper one? Probably. And then hoping that I hold till it keeps going up, right? And don't forget, there have been times where the Solana community has been wrecked, has been destroyed, because they had to pause their blockchain, or some hack happened, or some exploit happened. Now we're being told we're way past that, so we'll see. But I'm a farmer, so I definitely stake 100 TIA in each wallet. There you go. But I had a selling bag too. Can't be waiting 21 days to unstake in a pump. Yeah, dude, that's wild. Oh, Teddy, explore the weird / crypto combo. Do an episode about mysterious deaths of crypto investors. Oh my God. Send me some. Soul Train, send me some. You know what's crazy? I think I messaged you on X and I was like, bro, what is that thing that you got? You posted with your kids and stuff, and you were like, yo, it's a splash pad. You can buy one at Costco. Bro, I tried. I can't find one in Costco. They stopped selling them. Now Kyra won't have a splash pad. Look at me. Oh my God. It was hilarious. I keep selling a bag on Bitrue, and you can use their Power Piggy, and it pays 10% APY with daily payout and no lockup. Wait, on Bitrue, you don't have to lock up and you get daily payout? What? What? In Cosmos, you can skip 21x on Atom using Stride, but that option not available to Tia, and hopefully in future. Wait, yeah, Cosmos has good staking and really good APY percentages. So I know Cosmos is definitely a good platform. Yeah, Teddy, turns out it was only $250. They are on Costco. Bro, link me the Costco website. I need this. You don't understand. What I'm going through. You need to send me the link. If it says out of stock, I'll be so sad. And most of the goons, you probably don't understand what's going on, but Soul Train posted thing that was a very cool. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a slide, a splash pad combo all in one. And it was really cool. And I showed it to my wife, and my wife was like, oh my God, we have to get that too. It'd be cool for the kids, because we have neighborhood kids, and I feel like they would like it too. It feels like a good use, especially in the hot weather. My kids and wife would want it. Yeah, link me so I can show these guys. Link now. Wait, let me see if you sent the link. No, I'm about to wrap it up. Okay, wait, I have a picture. This is the thing. Look at this. This is what he posts. He just does a random post. I like zoom up and look at this. What kid would not have fun in this, bro? Oh my God. It's got the pool. You can climb up on the rock. You can go down the slide. I'm like, bro, this is like heavy duty, bro. Heavy duty. There is nothing on Costco. I've checked. He's like, Costco, $250. I'm like, no effing way. I can't find this. I can't find this. So yeah, this is what we're talking about. That's what he posted. And yeah, definitely jelly. Definitely jelly. Um, we got to talk about this JP Morgan analyst. They've done the thing, they've done the research, they know the things they've seen. Is it Bitcoin season or is it altcoin season? They're going, hey, Bitcoin season is tapering out. It's going to move to altcoin season. And we are expecting um, so much net inflows, is what they said. 8 billion and 12 billion. And we're talking trillions, right? Like my market cap, I'm at trillions. I'm like, what's 8 billion and 12 billion going to do when I'm looking at trillions over here? But they're like, yo, this money's going to go into the altcoin and it's going to move all this stuff and it's going to be altcoin season. So start looking at altcoins that are doing better than Bitcoin. And they go Ton, Pepe, Bonk, Caspa, Monero, and I've been screaming Monero for so long. Guys, when they come, Monero is privacy enabled. So they are going to try and stop Monero. But I feel like that community is so strong, Monero is going to keep pumping. And if you have a way to get Monero, find a way to get Monero and then put it off chain, put it in a cold wallet, put it in a wallet you trust. Don't leave it on an exchange. Try to get that Monero off the exchange. Just trust me, it's doing some things, and the tech that they're doing is definitely different than any of these other blockchains. Have a good one. I'll see you next time, buddy. Thanks for stopping by. Oh shit, they're at us. You see what you did. You see what you did. You got our hopes up only to crush them. Got our hopes up only to crush them. I guess that's how you feel every time you watch me. All right, we're gonna move over to the chats. The chats. We need to look at the chats. Oh, Teddy, I need to look at the chats. Oh, don't you worry, pal. I'm looking at the chats with you, and I gotta say, the chats be crazy. The chats be crazy. So last I talked to you, I moved the fib retracement. Guys, keep in mind, Andean oscillator still red over green. Red over green still means, hey, we're in a bear sentiment, and I know levels are being found for support, but we're not really pushing through that resistance like I want. So where I want to get to is 59.9, which is really close to 60K. We're about 57.5. We're about $2,500 away from the target that I need to go bullish. But it's not out of the realm of plausibility. But why people are going negative, they're still seeing that selling pressure coming in. They seen Germany's now down. We got Mt. Gox still having that selling pressure. We know that, hey, they have this much amount of repayments, close to 9 billion. And you go, is it plausible that they are going to continue to bring this down? And currently, I go consolidation phase. Hey, we're finding good support. We've gotten 53. We've tested 53, and we bounce back from 53. Potentially, even if those repayments happen, maybe not everyone's selling. Maybe some are holding, and that selling pressure isn't as high as we think. I'm just reading the chat here. Yep. Yeah. Now you know. Now I know how you feel, buddy. I understand. Damn. Look how my dreams feel crushed. I'll never get that splash pad. All right. Other fun things that are happening: Ethereum. Basically, the entire market's trying to do the thing, bounce back off that low that we had, where we thought, oh, it's all over. 2,800 was our last low. Now we're looking to see if we can stay above 3,200. We're about $100 away from where I want to be. I'm not too worried. 4 green candles. Andean's going narrow on Ethereum. I'm going, hey, Ethereum may get a long signal soon, because we've seen these longs, and when that long comes in, it's takeoff. So boom, we're right back at 4,000 in a matter of a week. So I am mentally preparing myself. If I had an opportunity to get into Ethereum, it does appear like Ethereum wants to break out. So I'm keeping my eye on it. I do notice the Andean is narrowing. Flipping back over to Bitcoin, not the same thing. Not 4 green candles in a row. We are seeing the red. So today's the 50-50 chance. If it goes positive, we're in the green. we're above 59, I'm okay. But if we're not, we don't make those levels. You guys know we continue to tumble down. So keep an eye on those support and resistance level. Nobody got Mount Gox money yet. Seems like it's just another FUD story again. Oh my God. They keep telling us that they moved the funds to exchanges and that they're in exchanges, right? Didn't they say that from the cold wallet that it was moved? Damn, Teddy just had to watch a Coinbase ad in a few seconds ago on your stream. Dude, this is a thing. On crypto side, they actually do ads on my live streams. I try to do the same thing on Explore the Weird, and the advertisers are like, nah, don't talk about these topics. You stop talking. Now I actually have to stop talking and just do compilations now. That channel might just turn into compilation videos and you'll never see me because no one wants to see me. They just want to see the videos. Oh boy. It's a love-hate relationship right now with Explore the Weird. With Explore the Weird. BNB. So this is where I'm saying, hey, is there an altcoin season? That JP Morgan guy, he's feeling it. He's looked at the things. He knows it's coming. Everything is telling him it's coming. Potentially. 4 green candles does to me indicate potentially another long signal coming in. So I am keeping an eye on BNB yet again. Entry point at 500, exit point around 600 plus. So if I'm in it for the short term, this is where it's happening. Your lives are popping over there. Your lives are popping. Dude, so many people joined the live for Explore the Weird. I do Explore the Weird live streams on Sundays. And it's definitely a lot more people that interact on the live streams for Explore the Weird, but it does not take away from the goons on the crypto side. We're still trying to find our financial freedom, and we're going to make it. We're going to make it. I know. And we're recording it. We're recording it. One of us goons in the chat's going to make it and be like, we're throwing the goon party. Everyone's coming. It's at this mansion. Like, I'm ready, buddy. I'm ready. We're flying everybody in. Wait, some of you guys may have to pay for your own tickets. I feel like it's going to be either NW, Selmo Fudd, Soul Train, Ben Spada. It's maybe Coochie Boy, but then again, Coochie Boy would probably just dip out on us and be like, silent billionaire. Damn it, Coochie Boy, let me in on your private jet. Oh boy, we haven't seen Coochie in a long time. Let's see. Maybe he'll check in with us. Yeah, he hasn't checked in yet. Maybe you forgot. How can he forget? We always live stream. I think I only missed July 4th? Yeah, it was a holiday. All right. Stop it. Stop it. Like, Teddy, you were doing so well and you missed July 4th. And I was like, what? No. Teddy just named him. Damn it. I can't wait for the we're all gonna do it. We all come back, we check in, we're gonna do the thing. We're gonna do the goon party. Coochie Boy is having some family stuff. Oh, okay. Fair enough. Can't be wrong if you name everybody. Yep. There you go. So in some timeline where one of us is making it and we're all gonna throw the party and it's gonna be the greatest thing. So Solana, we've been talking about it all week. It's made some entry past that resistance at the 0.168, which puts it right around that 144 to 142 level, and that's where I want to stay above. But unfortunately, we had that retracement. We had some few green days, and Andean is narrow. So I'm going, hey, Solana is potentially primed. We've had that fake out, log out before. We had that FUD news from Crypto Bitlord that pushed it down. We had everything happen for Solana that pushed it to the negative trend, and now it is looking like, hey, is this going to be the second opportunity across the board for all cryptos to have their altcoin season? So XRP, we moved the fib retracement. We are looking at potential positive price action as I speak to you, because we're at the 0.618. If this holds at 45, guys, 55 is within reach in my eyes. If this holds at 45, 55 is within reach. I'm going super long on XRP. Shiba, Doge, Bonk definitely haven't done anything crazy in my eyes. But when I flip over to Pepe, definitely has caught the bleed and found that support at the 0.236. But when I'm looking at Bonk, I don't know if it's done bleeding. I look at Doge, I don't know if it's done bleeding. It's already below the level of support that we had on the fib retracement. I'm looking at Shiba. I don't know if it's done bleeding because it's been pretty much at support. But Pepe, I'm like, hey, it's been constantly hovering at this price action for so long. Something has to happen. 8 cents seems like a decent entry point. And then, if the long term goal of Pepe with that lower LP ratio, you go no utility, nothing really driving it other than pure community. This could be a very interesting entry point now that we've seen higher all time highs. So, this is the full Pepe chart you're looking at. We've seen some crazy all time highs. Now the LP ratios are lower. So, this thing could do more excess. Just keep an eye on that. Let's just combine funds. Bro, we just need one guy. We just need one AI trading bot that we all just invest into, and that's it. We start making all the monies. He will be back. Yeah, he will be back. And then that's it. We make all the monies. And I'm not a financial advisor, so don't listen to me. Continuing on. Yeah, we talked about Bonk. I can't tell if Bonk is done bleeding. Long position came in, but it's pretty much been at the same long for quite some time. And in theory, I'm above 0.618. It should push up to the 1.618, get me to the 403, but I'm still not quite there. I'm hoping it will be soon. I'm hoping the long plays out. Why I get nervous is the Andean is doing its crossover. It looks like it's narrowing, and I'm like, yo, red over green means continued bleed. So I'm hoping this widens, but it's not feeling like that with this strong red candle right now. So time will only tell. Time will only tell. Crow, I didn't see Red Sox, right? No Red Sox, but continues to bleed. Rewards tokens get dumped. There's no LP, but let's see. And what else? I had whiff on here, right? Yeah, whiff. Another continued bleed. I don't even know if it's at bottom. It just keeps testing new lows every time. So I'm like, hey, we're about right before takeoff. If it follows Pepe's trend, we know the LP ratio is gonna drop. If something crazy happens. $5 doesn't seem that bad when we've seen $2, $3, $4. $5 doesn't seem that bad at all. So also taking a gander at whiff as well. I think that's literally all I had for the chats. I'm gonna move it over to Goon time so we can go look at that Tia. Tia. Oh, Teddy, I'm gonna make it all back. I know, buddy. I know. I'm waiting. Did I actually add Tia to my? We'll add it now, so it's forever there. Forever there. Oh yeah, long position came in on Tia on the triple G. Andean does look like it crossed over. Wait a second. Who knows something? This is what I'm expecting to happen for all the other tokens. Hey, maybe Tia's definitely on the right path here. So yeah, $8 is within reach, $12 within reach, dude. $6. Oh man, that's like a 2x just waiting to go. That's like a 2x just waiting to go, and that's $21 as high. Oh boy. Dang. I'm liking Tia, guys. I like your odds. I mean, I see a little bit of narrowing, but that could be from this red candle. Maybe the rest of the market pressure is causing some issue, or because some people are just taking profits and people are finding new entry potentially. But keep an eye on Tia now. It was 6% down on my radar last I looked at it, or 7% down now. See, dang, dudes, are we longing Tia? I'm longing Tia, bro. I was up so much at 20, I didn't sell. Oh my god, you gotta figure out your exit point. That's why I keep telling you for BNB 500, 630 plus exit point. Uh, JTO buy signal. Let me say Tia to 100. Let's go. Let me see JTO real quick. I don't know if JTO changed. I haven't looked at it since the last time. We'll go with dude, even with 3 candles. So yeah, I think it's just gonna keep finding new bottoms. Dude, this is a massive bleed out, bro. You are just bleeding, bleeding, bleeding. You are basically at like second day or first day price. You're basically at first day price. I mean, started at 20 cents on Binance, but let's see. They're bleeding. Someone's selling. Someone's selling. It's not you. It may dip below $2, bro. The way this chart's looking, it looks like it's gonna dip below $2. Indian. Oh boy. Just be careful. Let's see. Any other tokens you guys or coins you want me to look at? Otherwise, I go bye-bye. You won't see me again until Monday. Monday. 8:15 p.m. Eastern. We're pretty much just trying to see how long we can keep waiting for these profits to come in. And once those profits come in, that's it. We're gonna take off, and it's gonna be great. I know some of you guys are now checking in on Explore the Weird. We're doing live streams on Sundays. It's when Kyra takes a nap. Do check out Explore the Weird. A lot of crazy things happening over there. But I think, let me see, we had a video come out today. We had something come out today. We had a video come out today. Check out the video. It's pretty interesting. Part 148. We have videos come out every day on Explore the Weird. It's wild. Monday through Friday. And then Sundays I live stream. Saturday is like the only day you don't see me. So use Saturday as the day you catch up on everything. I'll find you in the weird if I need you. Yeah, NW, you stop it. I can't tell if you were being sarcastic or actually telling the real stuff. And some of these guys, they're like so real and they're into it. And I feel so bad. I'm like, yo, bro, this guy's just making sarcastic comments, and these guys are gonna be like, wow, NW so intelligent. He knows all these things. He's using resonance sound waves to figure out if the MIB is really never mind. I'm doing the thing. Hey, William, we're just about to leave. We're just about to end it, buddy. How you? Thanks for coming. Thanks for checking in. I'm so sarcastic. I know. I can tell. I read your comments like they're not. I'm like, oh, yeah, okay. Can happen. Oh, buddy. All right, guys. I am out of here. Stay safe. Stay strong. And most importantly of them all, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah. 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 Get informed.